So actually, we have recently talked about the HUMAIN AI. So actually, I just want to explain to you, HUMAIN AI is a AI company here in Saudi Arabia. You are working over there as a data management manager. Okay, and obviously you have worked into the big name companies, that is EY, Teradata, Davidson. Okay,
Yes,
now you are
Davidson.
positioning into the HUMAIN AI.
Yes.
Actually, I just want to ask, like Saudi Arabia investing a lot of money into the AI infrastructure. What do you think? How HUMAIN AI is putting valuable value into the AI?
HUMAIN is at the forefront of AI sovereignty in Saudi Arabia. Even we are targeting the region as well, number one in the region, and then we are targeting the world. The goal of HUMAIN is to provide a full stack AI experience from compute to AI products. We already have launched LLM. Inshallah, by the end of 2026, we're gonna launch the compute as well. So yes, so we are targeting that AI sovereignty and also targeting the global market as well, region and global as well.
That's great. What do you think? What type of problem HUMAIN is going to be resolved?
For example, we are as if you compare to UAE, they already have our AWS, Azure established there, but here is we don't have that much compute resource available, and as well as the human resource, because AI is still comparatively a new technology, so we don't have experienced resource in the region. I'm not talking about HUMAIN specifically, I'm talking about generalized in the Saudi market. So these are the main challenges, like people and compute power.
And even the government entities.
Yeah, both.
So what do you think? What type of opportunities are going to be disappear in future, maybe after 1 decade? And maybe you can explain what type of opportunity is going to be increased in Saudi Arabia specifically.
Yeah, so it's already working. Like if you see the global market, a lot of people all over company are start firing and automating. But as you also see, they are now calling back the people because of the cost as well. So it's a two-way traffic. But what I can see is basically like people have more time to plan rather than execute, because execute AI can help you way better, but all you need is you have to plan, you have to clear goal, clear steps, clear milestone, and time to focus on that part rather than you say, oh, how are we going to execute, what will be the my core components will look like, what will be the my milestone look like. AI taking care of that, and it's like you are focused more towards the planning and designing thing rather than executing thing.
Okay.
So planning. So I think AI is not replacing anyone. AI is making us faster. Eventually today I was talking to one of my colleagues. Like he built an app, and he said, okay, without AI, like it has 60,000 rows of codes, and he built it in like 3 weeks. So he said, like, if I have resources, I'm gonna need like at least 30 resources for like 6 months to build this app, and I build alone using AI. All what he needs was just a vision. Okay, what the app should look like, what should be the module, how each module should talk to each other, what will be the data architecture, and where the data will be hosted, what components. He focus on that. Rest all handled by AI.
So what do you think? Obviously, you have a good experience, overall 12-year experience. How I can grab the job here in Saudi Arabia? Where it is, maybe as a software engineer, maybe data analyst, maybe data engineer, maybe data scientist, maybe AI engineer. How I can crack to grab the job here in Saudi Arabia?
Okay, how I will tell you how I got it. Like applying a job in UAE or Middle East or anywhere, it's not like you apply 1, 2 and you think, okay, I've done my part. Well, how I did it, I dedicated 45 minutes a day for this.
Oh, okay.
Every day.
Like what you are doing means?
Like I was on the job sites like Indeed, LinkedIn. In Dubai, you have Gulf Job. So on that platform, I'm applying, and I can say currently I didn't have any reference in HUMAIN. I didn't have any reference in RTA.
Even EY?
EY, I had a reference. Yeah, okay. One of my friend, He was my ex-colleague. He referred me there. He said this partner is a good resource and you could be a good fit. So that is a reference to be full honesty. But HUMAIN and RTA was like totally by applying.
How much AI is going to be help you into your field?
Now AI is everywhere. Like,
Now
for example,
that means
for example,
AI have replaced data analyst.
AI does not replace data analysis, because AI to work it needs data,
Let's
because
say,
data is the input of the AI.
okay.
So, for example, you are saying AI is doing data replacing data analysis. How AI will source the data?
Right.
How, for example, I had this question. One guy I was asking, okay, I need some resources to do data analysis. He said, oh, write a prompt. I say, okay, write me a prompt which can gather the requirement from that guy and integrate that source, and translate that requirement into physical queries and tables, and then generate a report. Tell me the prompt. I would love to have that prompt. He said, oh, okay, Wasif, I don't have that prompt. I said, okay, that's what I'm asking, so give me the resource.
Okay. Let's say, obviously, you said you have conducted some interviews.
Mm-hmm.
So let's say I'm a data analyst. I have approximately 3 years of experience, but I cannot write the query. Means technically, I know what I need from the database, but I can write the query. But by seeing the database, okay, which table I need to choose, okay, something like this, I will ask from the ChatGPT. These are all the things. This is a prompt. Create a query for me. I will use this. You will ask something like this. Create a query for me. I have database. These type of tables I have. There is a relation between these tables, and write a query for me onto the notebook. So you will ask these type of questions, or you will ask technical things. Okay, let's say load balancer and how we can manage the cache and something like this. How we will manage, like if we will get millions of traffic, how you will manage the server, something like this.
If you ask me an honest question, I have reduced the complexity by first I was asking the basic concept, like okay, what are the basic concept, to see okay they know understanding on no. Now I have reduced my difficulty level very low, so that the new generation I can select them, I can recommend them. Because I met a guy who claimed to be a very senior architect, and asked him, okay, what is CDC? He said, okay, what is CDC? I said, change data capture. How are you going to implement it? His reply was, oh, isn't it the built-in function of Informatica? I said, what does it do? He doesn't know.
Okay.
And he was applying for that data architect.
Okay.
So at that time, it clicked me. I said, okay, Wasif, you have to. And CDC is not a very big thing, by the way, in the data management part. It's very like basic skills, basic understanding, like change data capture. Basically, if your source data change and you have a similar data in target, how you gonna reflect the change data into your target data? It's simple.